Hello, guys. Good afternoon. This is the Blessed Man. I'm excited to inform you that my money from Earning Club landed on my Trust wallet. Yes, you heard me. Yesterday, I made a video and I told you that I made a withdrawal from Earning Club for us to test how this system is working. And I'm glad to let you know that this money landed in my Trust wallet account. In that video, I showed you my Trust wallet where I have zero money on that wallet. And if you have been following my videos and my account, you discover that this is not the balance I have in my total assets. I have about $74 as of yesterday. So I decided to make a withdrawal. So if I go to um, then I go to withdrawal record. So what I did was I tried to withdraw $21. Later that yesterday, the order failed and the money was returned back to my account. So what I did was I have to wait till this morning. So this morning, I checked my account and I have about $77 in my account. So I decided to withdraw. So I decided to withdraw $26, which is what you're seeing here. This is order number, and this order was successful. So what I did was I decided to go to my Trust wallet and check if this money arrived my Trust wallet, and here and there, boom. And so after some few hours, I got into my Trust wallet and boom, this is the money. It arrived to my Trust wallet. And so this is the money right in my Trust wallet account. I withdraw $26. Let me show you the calculation because their charge is $8. So I withdrew $26 times 8%, 8%, okay, minus $26. So this is 23.92, and that is exactly what you're seeing in this account. So guys, this is real. Earning Club is real, and is a business we've got to do. So if you have not registered, follow the link on this video, register your account, recharge your account, and then start doing your task and start earning money. Don't say I did not tell you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel uh, so that you can get all the videos that we are dropping for you on how you can make money. So guys, I am excited, and then I want you to go ahead and share this video. Go ahead and share this opportunity. Make sure you perform your tax on daily basis so that you can make your money and withdraw it. Your minimum withdrawal in this place is just $10. Once you're able to make $10, you go ahead and then withdraw your money and enjoy your money. So thank you very much. I'll see you in my group as I train more people concerning this business. Thank you. This is the Blessed Man. I'm saying I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.